as you can see, it's raining. The rain last night's washed most of the snow away, so I've changed plans to go to Yarrangobilly Caves and have a look around here while we're in the area. Yep. As long as there's not too many photos missed.
But that's beautiful. I do know all that.
Because the top ones are hanging on tightly. So I try and remember the difference.
Well, actually, that's a good one when you get both.
You can sort of see the openings.
Yeah. Although the light's a bit funny. That
Cool.
looks like the apostles, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Put it on the clock.
Eventually they'll join up.
Formations, they're beautiful.
And all the shapes. Glory Cave is quite beautiful. Nice lot of formations there. So we're on our way to the thermal pools. It's still raining, but it doesn't matter if you're inside in the cave. Rain's not going to get you there. But just a beautiful place to visit. With the snowy mountain, sometimes you got to change your plans if the snow's not as good, or if the weather's not as good. Just got to change your plans and go with the flow. There's the pools. I just felt the water. I wouldn't call it warm. It's not freezing. Okay. Yeah, you might as well do that. There's a bit of steam coming off the blast too. Don't know if it shows up.
Here we are, standing in the rain, trying to keep dry, watching a person swimming in a pool. Getting wet. It's a bit of a congruent.
You don't know what you're missing out on.
Walking alongside the river, back to the car park away from the pools. We heard a lyrebird a little while ago. Walking away from the river now, up this massive hill to the top. The old post office building here, handy to have a lunch stop on the veranda out of the rain.
nice little portico.
This is our Tal Bingo accommodation. Sleeps quite a few people. Pretty cool place. Got some local wildlife here. Kangaroo of the Joey. Just to prove.
Thank you for your patience. It was fun.
Here we are, standing in the rain, trying to keep dry, watching a person swimming in a pool, getting wet.
Getting wet.
It's a bit of a
You
congruent
don't know what you're missing out on.